Hello there, folks. Hey, this is Joe Wesley here. I've got a video that does this older one, but I thought I'd make a new one since I had to do this week somewhere. So here I have an example where I've got a bunch of devices over here in communications under a 485 port. And in this case, I'd like to move these from this port over to maybe this port here, for instance, or some sleds or something. But I'd like to move them from here to this port for some odd reason. I don't know why, but let's just say I want to do that. So I can look here at this one, and I can look, okay, this is using this protocol. It could be, different PLCs, doesn't matter, but I need to make this one the same settings. So I'll go here. In this case, I'll just do the right thing. I'll show you what I did here. In this case, it's all Modbus. So this all is applicable if I was a master, okay? And then I'd make all this the same settings. So I'm pretty sure the other one's 115 and even. Let me double check. 115.8.1 even. If I go up here, watch. 115.8.1 even looks good. Okay, so that matches. But what I want to do though is here is I want to move these from here down to here. Now you can see I'm trying to drag and drop. You can't do that. So, and all of these devices they already have a bunch of data tags associated with them. They've got a bunch of tags associated with each one, all in here. A bunch of stuff already mapped to every one of those actuators. So what I'm going to do here, watch this trick. This new one right here, I'm going to click on it, right click, and do rename. And I'm going to call this one actuator underscore one and then a little a, like that. Okay. And I want to make sure, of course, the address here is correct. But okay, so that's what I'm going to call it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and copy this name for now. I'm going to right click there and I'm going to copy that name. Okay. Just so I have the name on my clipboard, if you will. All right. Now, here's where it gets a little funky. I'm going to go up here to this one and I'm going to delete it. Boom. And that's going to cause a bunch of problems in Crimson because all of those tags were currently associated or linked to actuator one. Now I'm going to go down here to this one that I got, and I'm going to get rid of the suffix, that little A I did. Do that, boom. And now all of a sudden all those errors went away. See that? So let's go ahead and do another one. So I'm going to click here on the port. I'll slide down in here, depending on your screen. I'll do add additional device, boom. Now I got another one. I'll click here. This one is going to be actuator 2. So if I do like that, you can't control V for some reason. You got to right click and you got to do paste. Puts the name. I'm going to call this one 2A, like that, boom. I'm going to make sure I change the drop number. I'm following, if these were Ethernet device, you want to make sure IP addresses. But anyway, there it is. Now I'll go up here to this one. I'm going to delete this guy, boom. It causes errors. Go back down to this one I just added. Get rid of that suffix A, bam. Hit enter, takes it, perfect. Let's do one more. So I'll go ahead and do that, boom. And this one's going to be number 3. So I'll go here, I'll right click, paste, change this to 3A, bam. Of course, change the address here, make sure it's number 3. Go up to this guy, delete, and once again, go back down to this one, click on it again, get rid of that suffix, bam, that's it. So you do that for all of them. I know it's a little bit of work, especially if you got whatever, a ton of devices, but anyway, in this case, I got 11, but that's how you move them. That's the only way I know how to do that. I mean, you could, well, no, that's quite honestly, that's the easiest way. You could extract the tags and try it that way, but you still got to create all these devices. I'm sorry, but that's the best way you can do it right there. There's not an easy way to drag and drop. So take your time, do that correctly. Make sure that you make the addresses correct. Let's do one more with that. What do I get to lose? We'll go here, and I'll go here, boom. And let me go ahead and do that. Right click, paste. This is number 4A, bam, bam, boom. Of course, I want to change this to number 4. There we go. Go up to this guy, delete it, cause all kinds of errors. Go down to this one, get rid of the A in the name. Bam, all fixed up. There you go. I might as well just go ahead and keep doing this, and I'll speed up the video, see how long this takes. Okay, when you get all done, you want to double check your work by clicking on each one. You want to make sure the drop number is correct. So if I hit the down arrow, the next one's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, that's what it takes to switch those over. I just did 11 there, so that took me probably 6, 7 minutes. So anyway, that's what it is. Hey, thanks a lot, folks. Have a great day. See you later.